Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. If you're looking for an expert who will build your Shopify dropshipping store or Shopify website, in this video I'll show you an expert who will help you to build your Shopify dropshipping store. So his name is Egru the X. He is a level 2 seller on Fiverr. He is expert on Shopify website development, dropshipping, automated store and Shopify website. He will build your automated Shopify dropshipping store for your dropshipping business. He is a level 2 seller and he have 4.8 rating and he have 551 reviews. 551 reviews he have already, and also 15 order running and 15 order in queue. He is a level 2 seller. He will build 7-figure Shopify dropshipping store for your Shopify dropshipping business. So I'll introducing how he help you and how many reviews he have and how many project already he have done and how many order in queue. I'm also already share with you 15 orders he have already running and also 551 reviews he have also and 4.8 rating. So he have a three package price for build your Shopify dropshipping store. His basic price 225, one product store, one winning product plus premium theme plus plugin plus apps and lifetime support. He will provide his basic price 225, one product store, one winning product plus premium theme and plus plugin apps lifetime support within 3 days delivery and one revision he will provide. This one is very good and very basic price and only 225, and he will add one winning product and premium theme plugin as lifetime support within delivery 3 days. And his standard price 325, advanced package high converting Shopify to set up 30 with winning products, premium theme plus logo apps and more within 6-day delivery, unlimited revision he will provide. This is his standard price, and his premium price 395, around $400. 100% income recommended, and 100% income recommended. He will provide high converting Shopify to set up plus 50 winning products, premium theme, logo, apps and more within 7 days delivery, unlimited revision. He provide within 7 days delivery time his premium package. So he is very professional. I hope on this he already complete 551 review and all. I already share 3 package price, basic, standard and premium price. So I'll check his portfolio. He have so many portfolio. Build website for his client, one portfolio, and second portfolio and third portfolio, and also 4 portfolio he have. So I hope you understand. He have so many portfolio. You can check in. So before placing order you will contact with him how many budget you have and how he will help you. You can discuss about your project. He will share how can he help you and how can you help. You can take your build your dropshipping store, one product or so much product, you how many at you, everything you will discuss before placing order. Then you can get best service from him. I will add this link on my description below. You will contact with him and he will help you to build your Shopify dropshipping store. I hope you understand this video. If it will help you, please like, share and subscribe our video. I will share every day valuable content for you. Thank you so much.